Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Be a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the path to light. There's a new door opening to you. There's a new path for a new journey that's going to enhance the place that you're at, where you want to go. You're actually getting new opportunities. You've asked for an opportunity. It's showing his face. It's showing the path. Now it's time to walk. Walk confidently. Walk boldly, because you're heading into the new stage of life that you've been waiting for, praying for, and manifesting. I make the conscious choice to move toward the light one step at a time. I transform my weaknesses into strength by mastering my thoughts. We are the magnets of the universe. What we feel and what we project is what we attract. Positive energy will bring blessings, manifestations, and breakthroughs, and that's what you need to be worrying about. Let go all the negative energy and fill it with love, prosperity, and abundance, and gratitude. I overcome obstacles with positivity and acceptance. I develop my gifts and extend my light to everything and every being unconditionally. There's a lot of breakthroughs that come through with acceptance. A lot of peace comes with forgiveness. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.